Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to print an affidavit on stamp paper. First, it is crucial to understand the specific legal requirements for your affidavit, as these can vary significantly by jurisdiction and purpose. Next, you will need to procure the appropriate non-judicial stamp paper, typically available from authorized vendors or Treasury offices. The denomination of the stamp paper is critical and must match the value prescribed for your document. Finally, prepare your affidavit content meticulously, ensuring all details are accurate and complete before proceeding to print. Once you have your stamp paper, the next step involves preparing your document for printing. Format your affidavit text to fit either a 4 or legal size paper, depending on the standard in your region. It is advisable to leave a margin of at least 1 inch on all sides to accommodate official seals or signatures. Double-check that all content, including signatures and dates, fits neatly within the designated printable area. A thorough proofread is essential to catch any typographical errors or factual inaccuracies. Now for the actual printing process. Carefully load the non-judicial stamp paper into your printer's manual feed tray, ensuring it is oriented correctly. In your printer settings, select the appropriate paper size, such as a 4 or legal, and specify the paper type as heavy or cardstock if available, to ensure proper ink adhesion. Before printing on the valuable stamp paper, always print a test page on plain paper to verify alignment and content placement. Once satisfied, proceed to print your final affidavit. After printing, carefully review the entire affidavit on the stamp paper to confirm clarity and completeness. The next critical step is to sign the affidavit in the presence of a notary public or other authorized official. This official will then affix their official seal and signature, attesting to the authenticity of your signature. Remember to obtain and keep at least 1 certified copy of the executed affidavit for your personal records, as this document holds significant legal weight and importance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.